clear this, and FTP again on this IP address, which is 103. Hit enter, and now our user is the Sky, and our password is the best. Hit enter, and you can see remote system type is Unix, using a binary mode to transfer files, and we are logging successfully in the Sky user. So we're trying to ls here. Here is the user.flag here. So first getting this flag, which is a user.flag. Hit enter, and we're getting this file. So we're trying to get user flag. Hit enter. Here is the file. And now what I see. So here you can see here is a bin bash is here. So these files must be a vulnerable for us. So trying to exploit in this file, which is a best hi, and put this exploit in this file, which is create this file vulnerable. So again we put this file into the Sky user. Okay, so now we're trying to comma user dot flag here and hit enter, and we're trying to put our payload here, which is a bash dash I and ampersand. We're trying to privilege escalations of the shell, which is a dev dash tcp slash 10. Our IP address 192.168.0.102 is our IP address. Slash port number 1234. As always, we put this port and ampersand 1. And now our payload is ready. Sorry. Now our payload is ready to work it. Save it, close it, and now what we're trying to do, put this file again into the here. Okay, so we use put command for putting the file, which is user.flag here. Okay, and hit enter, and successfully completed this file. So now we see the file, which is a changes in the file or not. So user.flag here, and you can see file has been changed. So of course we have to miss the netcat command on the port 1234, and trying to getting this, waiting for the payload is run. So again let's this flag and to check the payload is running or not. Waiting for the connections, trying to again put this file is okay. Now you can see